Hello students, my name is Nirav Rajan. Today I am going to teach you basic electronic subjects and some terminology or definitions used in this subject. Okay, let's start our first definition, that is what signal. Dear students, what do you mean by signals? See, signal is the graphical representation of energy. Means जो energy हम देखते हैं in the form of heat, temperature, light, right? These all that energies are in some natural quantity or entity. So हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, जो भी एनर्जी है उसको ऑब्जर्व करना हो, मेजर करना हो और उसका कोई दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्जन करना हो, तो उसके लिए हमें उसके लिए प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट की जरूरत होती है, राइट? तो वो मेजरमेंट कैसे ले पाएंगे? अगर सपोज आपको बोला गया कि लाइट, तो लाइट का मेजरमेंट आप कैसे करोगे? तो कुछ सेंसर्स और डिवाइसेस चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पास डिवाइसेस तो है ही, बट अगर उसको ऑन पेपर अगर हमें ऑब्जर्व और मेजर करना हो तो हमें क्या चाहिए होगा? दैट इज व्हाट? डिजाइन, right? Means graphical representation. So at here you can see the definition of the signal is this: the graphical representation of the energy is known as the signal. At here you can see a one sine wave, it having main two parts, amplitude and horizontally it is indicated by the time. Now students, let's we take a second definition, that is what? Cycle. Yes students, cycle is very important definitions for observations or measurement of any signal. So what the definition of cycle is? So value of EMF increased in one direction from 0 become the maximum and then decrease and becomes again 0, then it increase in opposite direction and become the maximum at that directions and become 0 again, right? Then it's repeat continuously. This one complete alternation is known as the cycle. I repeat, value of EMF is increased in one directions from 0 and it becomes maximum, and then it's decreased and becomes 0, then it increase in opposite directions become maximum and then it becomes 0 again. Okay, so it's continuously start from 0 to maximum, maximum to 0, 0 to negative maximum, negative maximum to 0. This complete alternation is known as the cycle. Clear? So any of energy is converted into the graphical representation like sine wave because it's about the analog, and we know that analog means what? Natural signals. So natural signals मतलब natural energy को indicate करने के लिए sine wave is the only waveform, only shape which very perfectly measured or represent the analog energy. Next definition is what? Time period. The time taken to complete one cycle is known as the time period. At here you can see the clock. This clock indicates the time. Means एक cycle को complete होने के लिए जो time लगता है, it is known as a time period. Okay. Now next definition is what? Frequency. Okay. The number of cycles completed in 1 second is known as the frequency. At here you can see any of signals means a number of cycles are there, but if in 1 second all the cycles are completed, then according to that time period we can find out the frequency. Okay, at here one example is there. If we are talking about high frequency, then you can see the waveform having very less intervals, right? The waveform has very narrower gap. Okay, so this is indicated as a high frequency. And this example is for the low frequency. At here you can see 1 upon 10 cycles. So 1 upon 10 cycles is equals to 0.1 hertz. So it's considered as a low frequency. So at here you can see the gap between the two cycles are more. Next definition is instantaneous value. The value of EMF or current at any time t is called as its instantaneous value. Okay. So at here you can see in the graph there is a one signal. At here you can see 4.5 volt is the exact instantaneous value at that point. Okay, and again next example is for the 10 volt, means it's a maximum voltage. Okay, maximum amplitude. So at that point it's a maximum EM of 10 volt. Okay, so as we say In the negative cycles again we have a minus 10 volt. It is also considered as an instantaneous value in the negative direction. Next one is what? Amplitude or maximum value. Okay, so the maximum value of the alternating quantity is called the amplitude or maximum value. So यहाँ पे देखिए हमारे जो सिग्नल्स ग्राफ दिख रहा है उसके अंदर मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हमने +10 से लेकर नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन के अंदर -10 रखा है, यानी मैक्सिमम पिक जो है वो हमारा होगा एम्पलीट्यूड और मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. नाउ नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन इज व्हाट? फेज डिफरेंस. When two alternating quantity becomes maximum in same direction, the difference in phase of the maximum value is called the phase difference. You can see in the graph there are two waveforms, both are in different time period. Clear? As well as in this waveform you can see there are different amplitude. Okay, so this is called as a phase difference. Now we are talking about the wavelength. Wavelength is nothing but the length of one wave. At here this lambda indicate the length of one wave. Lambda is equals to v by f, where v is equals to velocity of wave in meter per second, while f is equals to frequency in cycle per second, and lambda is equals to wavelength in meter. Okay, so according to this we can find out the wavelength of any wave. Next definition is waveform. It's very easy. When the signal repeats with respect to time, it is called the waveform. Means continuously variable signal is known as the waveform. Okay. Our next definition is what? Spectrum. When the magnitude of the signal is plotted against the frequency, then it is known as the spectrum. याद रखिएगा, आगे जो हमने डेफिनेशन देखी थी उसमें हमारा जो सिग्नल था वो मैग्नीट्यूड वर्सेस टाइम था, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारा सिग्नल होगा मैग्नीट्यूड वर्सेस फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, नाउ टाइम डोमेन. When the study of the behavior of the system and analysis of the system is done on the basis of time, then it is known as the analysis of the time domain. यहाँ पे कोई भी सिस्टम का एनालिसिस हमें टाइम के रेफरेंस में करना है, तभी जाके हम बोलेंगे टाइम डोमेन एनालिसिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज सिमिलर लाइक फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन. ओके, एट हियर व्हेन द एनालिसिस ऑफ द सिस्टम इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, देन इट इज नोन एज द एनालिसिस ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन. यहाँ पे कोई भी सिस्टम का एनालिसिस फ्रीक्वेंसी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में किया जाएगा. एट द टाइम वी कॉल्ड दिस एनालिसिस एज अ फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन एनालिसिस. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी हमारी कुछ बेसिक डेफिनेशंस फॉर एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. ओके, अगर ये आप डेफिनेशंस प्रॉपर्ली समझ पाए हैं तभी जाके आप कोई भी सिस्टम का यानी एनालॉग सिस्टम का एनालिसिस कर सकेंगे और कोई नई सिस्टम को समझ सकेंगे और डिजाइन कर पाएंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बी क्यूरियस एंड कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू.